Whatever I have done in this video is for fun and knowledge. Do not try this on your own devices. Let me be your stunt double. I am not responsible for any kind of damage done to your devices. Hello guys, welcome to the 5th episode of Virus Investigation. Today we are going to try a virus called WannaCry. So this is my test bench. It has caused millions and millions of dollars of loss, and it has caused a lot of problem to the entire world. The moment I run the virus, few files are created on my desktop. Wow, my wallpaper is changed. Oops, your important files are encrypted. If you see this text but don't see Wanna Decrypt window, then your antivirus removed the decrypt software or you deleted it from your computer. If you need your files, you have to run the decrypt software. Please find an application file named wannadecryptor@exe in any folder or restore from the antivirus quarantine. Run and follow the instructions. Okay, now let's see the instructions. I will allow this virus to see the max potential. Resources are fine though. Okay. Okay, so a window opened. There are a few timers. First timer is like payment will be raised on a date and time, and I guess I have 3 days. And the second timer is your files will be lost on a date, and I guess I have 7 days. Okay, let's see what happened to my computer. Your important files are encrypted. Many of your document, photos, videos, database and other files are no longer accessible because they have been encrypted. Maybe you are busy looking for a way to recover your files, but do not waste your time. Nobody can recover your files without our decryption service. So we are completely locked down. We have no way out, and unless we had a decryptor software, we cannot do anything. Even if we try to delete the software, it won't help. If we want our files back, we will need the decryptor software. Can I recover my files? Sure, we guarantee that you can recover all your files safely and easily, but you have not so much enough time. Enough time. What kind of English is that? Okay, fine. So I don't think so we can trust the guys who stole our data. So that guarantee is not trustable. You can decrypt some of your files for free. Try now by clicking decrypt. But if you want to decrypt all your files, you need to pay. You only have 3 days to submit the payment. After the price will be doubled. Also, if you don't pay in 7 days, you won't be able to recover your files forever. We will have free events for users who are so poor that they couldn't pay in 6 months. I guess the 6 months option is not available for me, but 3 days and 7 days the timer is clearly visible. Okay, so if I don't pay in 3 days, the price I have to pay is $300. Will be doubled, I guess. Will be doubled, I guess, to $600. And if I don't pay in 7 days, all the data I have will be lost. How do I pay? Payment is acceptable in Bitcoin only. Now, if anyone here who doesn't know what is a Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. For more information, click about Bitcoin. Please check the current price of Bitcoin. Okay, so what happens? The price of Bitcoin keeps fluctuating all the time. Sometimes it is thousands of dollars, and in past it was like $300 or even less. For more information, click how to buy bitcoins. Okay, so the hacker is trying to be helpful for his pay and send the correct amount to the address. Okay, so all kind of information is given, but the hackers are not that trustable because they stole our data at the first place. So best time to check 9 a.m. 11 a.m. Wow, so even hackers have some timings. Okay, and they have some selected days also from Monday to Friday. Okay, so they are punctual. Great. Once the payment is checked, you can start decrypting your files immediately. Okay, if you need our assistance, and send a message by clicking contact us. Okay, there is a contact us button over there. We strongly recommend you to not remove the software and disable your antivirus for a while until you pay and the payment get processed. If your antivirus gets updated and removes the software automatically, it will not be able to recover your files even if you pay. Okay, so we have to use this software only, Warner Decryptor. There is no way around. And the price of Bitcoin changes completely, as I said before. So when the transfer is done, when we pay the Bitcoin, it is hard to track the receiver. That's why the hackers use Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, so that they won't be traced back. Okay, so my file explorer seems normal. There are multiple language packs, so the hackers are very helpful over here. They are targeting the entire world. If we pay on this address they have given, the decryption software will be available. And if we click on the check payment, then the payment will be done. But in my case, I won't give a single penny, so I'll just cancel that. This is what WannaCry does to your computer. This virus only enters when you try to pirate any software or download anything from internet. So guys, try not to do piracy. Also, try not to go on malicious websites or unsafe or insecure websites. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you like the video. Later.